Hi guys. Uh. I'm just messing with my new thingy. That's a bit better. So, I just wanted to come on here because I wanted to make a new video. With the whole bonfire thing and everything going on, I wanted to make a video about why I hate Bonfire Night. And the worst night of my life. Sorry if it bounces, I am keep on pressing my phone because things keep on popping up. So, if you guys don't know, we used to have dogs. And their names were Max, Bob and Gemma. When I was younger, we adopted Max and Bob from this shelter, like you do. They were brothers, so they came together. And a few years later, it was Bonfire Night. And when we adopted them, we found out that Bob hated bangs and Max hated flashes. So Bonfire Night was the worst night ever. And I'm going to explain why. So it was my turn to have both of the dogs. My bed was over that way. Then it was behind me. So we were getting ready to go to bed. The dogs already had their dinner. They already went out and the fireworks already started. It must have been about 10 o'clock. They went out at 10, round about 9ish. Well, just going 9. And we got them upstairs and everything. I was getting ready to go to bed as well. It was a school night, so we had to go to bed pretty early. So I got into bed. Sorry if this is a mess. I haven't done YouTube for a while. Got into bed, got Max and Bob ready. Fireworks started. Bang, 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 bang. Bob hated bangs, Max hated flashes. So, obviously, Bob started shaking, and I'm there trying to calm him down and tell him that everything's okay. Then Max starts. Like, literally a few minutes later, Max starts. So, I'm in between both of them. I have Bob on this side, shaking like a leaf. Max on this side, going round in circles, because that's what I used to do, and shaking. So I'm there trying to calm both of them down. A few minutes later, pardon me, no wonder I don't have a boyfriend. So I actually get laid into bed. And Bob is still laying, shaking at the bottom of the bed. And I'm like, okay, he'll be fine. Next minute, Max starts again. This is going to be so shit, but hey ho. And this is where it gets much worse. So, there's Bob shaking at the bottom of the bed. I don't like fireworks either. Like, I hate them. And then, I can't believe this actually happened. As the night goes on, it just gets worse. So, Max starts going round in circles again. And he starts farting. Like, literally, starts farting. And I'm like, fabulous, I can't even open the window. So Max is going round in circles farting. Somehow, he aims a fart straight in my face. It was absolutely disgusting, and I could taste it as well. It was like, ugh. It was just horrible. Every single year, it was the same. Absolute same. Bob would be shaking, Max would be going round in circles farting. So that was around about 10, 11 o'clock at night. And then eventually the fireworks stop like they do. You're like, oh, they've gone in, they've gone to bed, they're having something to eat, something like that. Yeah. I eventually fall asleep. Next minute, bang, 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 bang. Great. The dogs eventually got settled. But Max jumped up, got on the floor. I had a carpet at the time. Right now, I have, let me try and take this off. Right now, I have wooden floors, but at the time, I had a carpet. Max started, sorry if you're having anything to eat, shitting. Like, seriously, shitting all over the place. And I'm just like, why? Why? And that is why I hate Bonfire Night. Also, something really quickly that I just want to say is if you guys want to follow me on the internet, you can. I have a YouTube channel. What? Huh? I have an Instagram called The Queen of Halloween. Also, I have a Twitter called The Queen of Halloween. If you guys want, you guys can go ahead and follow me. Bye.